Hi friends, this is Akshay and today I am going to suggest the most wonderful course opportunities provided by a technical giant in quantum computing, data science, machine learning and cloud computing, that is IBM. And here is the IBM's official learning platform, that is Cognitive Class, and what is featured is in that website you can see on your screen. Also you get a very handsome certificate approved by IBM on the course completion, and these courses are not very long. It is only of 5 hours to 10 hours courses. And now I am going to show you the courses. Here is the first course of Introduction to Cloud, Python for Data Science. As you know, data science there are two main languages, that is R and Python, so you can choose one of them for data science if you are interested in that. And here is the build your own chatbot. There is many courses related to machine learning and data science. As you know, IBM is related to these branches. You can get here, so you can see on your screen that are different courses. You can easily access these courses freely, and after completion you get a certificate from IBM. So this is a very important opportunities for you. Now I am going to register for this course because I am very new in Python, as I know Java programming but not more knowledge about the Python, and for it is also for data science, so I am very interested in this. And now I am going to start this course. Firstly we get a brief information for this. Here is the brief information. Course level is beginner level, so it is very useful for me as I am very new in this, and it is only 5 hours course. And as I suggest you that don't worry about the 5 hours, because you can also short out this time in 15 minutes. You can just complete this course in just 15 minutes by video solution, as I am going to upload in few hours. And here is the instructor. You can, as if you show that videos, you can easily get full marks, full not maximum marks in all the courses. And here I am going to create an account for Cognitive Class as I am new in this. So here I am going to register with my Google account, as it is very simple for, and then you have two more options that you have to tick and then proceed. And now here I am registered for this course, and now I am going to start this course. Firstly you can see what is in this course. Firstly is a welcome in Python 101 for data science. Here is 2.28 minutes video, and then about this course is module Python basics, Python for data structures, Python programming fundamentals, working with data in Python. And now I am going to show you the first module of this welcome note. And here is this. In this you have to learn about why Python is more important for data science and other scopes of the Python, and a few things to know about this courses. It is here what is this, why this course you have to choose, and also you have need a good internet connectivity. And here's the learning objectives. What is Python and why is it useful, the application of Python, how define variables, and also many of these things are here. And now this is a split up of syllabus. There are 4 modules it's showing here. And now grading scheme, there are 2 types of assessments here. All the modules have their own questions. You get all the answers by my videos, you get maximum marks from them, and also you have to score 50% in both of them, in final assessment and also in modules assessment. So you doesn't to hesitate to sign up for this. And now if you have any problem, you can contact me on my Instagram ID on your screen. Thanks for watching friends.